You know what separates developers who burn out after 6 months from those who code until 3 a.m. and wake up excited to do it again? It's not talent. It's not discipline. It's something way more powerful, and I'm about to show you how to weaponize it. Let's be honest. Most people quit coding because they're doing it wrong. They're treating it like homework, forcing themselves through tutorials, waiting for motivation that never comes. But what if I told you that coding can hijack the same reward systems in your brain that make scrolling social media or playing video games addictive? Here's the secret. Your brain doesn't care about long-term goals. It cares about dopamine hits, and we're going to engineer those hits into your coding routine. Step 1. Kill the tutorial hell loop. Stop watching 40-hour courses. Your brain gets zero reward from passive consumption. Instead, start building something, anything, within your first hour. A broken calculator, a website with 3 buttons. It doesn't matter. The act of creating something that didn't exist before triggers a dopamine response that watching tutorials never will. Step 2. Shrink your wins. This is the game changer. Instead of build a full-stack app, your goal is make the login button work. That's it. When you complete it, you get a hit of satisfaction. Then immediately, make the button change color on hover. Another win, another hit. You're essentially turning coding into a video game where you're constantly leveling up. The pros do this instinctively. They break massive projects into tiny, completable chunks. Each green checkmark in their task list is a micro-dose of achievement. Step 3. Create visible progress. Your brain needs to see the change. This is why front-end development hooks people faster than back-end. You change code, you refresh, boom, instant visual feedback. If you're doing back-end work, use tools like Postman, or build a simple front-end just to visualize your API responses. Make your progress impossible to ignore. Step 4. Embrace the debug fix loop. Here's something nobody tells you. The frustration of debugging makes the solution feel even better. It's called the contrast effect. When you've been stuck on a bug for 2 hours and finally fix it, that rush is intense. Your brain remembers that feeling and craves it again. This is why experienced developers actually enjoy debugging. They're addicted to the relief. Step 5. Join the multiplayer mode. Code alone, and you're playing on easy mode with no rewards. Join a community. Share your projects on Twitter, Reddit, or Discord. When someone comments, "This is cool," or gives you a star on GitHub, that's external validation hitting your reward centers. Suddenly, you're not just coding for yourself. You're building an audience, a reputation, a scoreboard. Step 6. Chain your habits. Pair coding with something you already love. Coffee and code, music and code. Your brain will start associating coding with that existing pleasure, making it easier to start. Eventually, opening VS Code becomes as automatic as opening Instagram, but way more valuable. Step 7. Track your streak. Use GitHub's contribution graph or a simple habit tracker. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Even 10 minutes counts. Watching that streak grow activates the same psychology that makes people check Duolingo every day. You won't want to break it. Step 8. Increase the difficulty curve. Once something becomes easy, your brain gets bored. Always have one project that's slightly above your current skill level. Not so hard you're overwhelmed, but hard enough that solving it feels like an achievement. You're coding to solve your own problems, and that makes all the difference. Here's the truth. Coding isn't naturally addictive, but when you engineer it correctly, small wins, visible progress, community validation, personal projects, your brain can't help but crave more. You stop needing discipline because you've built desire. 6 months from now, you'll be the person who can't stop coding. Not because you're forcing yourself, but because you've rewired your brain to love it. Now close this video and write one line of code. Just one. That's your first hit.